Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Techno Bazooka Blast. In today's video, we will be making a YouTube thumbnail on Canva. So we have to click on YouTube thumbnail, that's the first option. And we can go to any template. If we want a gaming template, we can search gaming thumbnail. Now we can scroll down to find any thumbnail we want. For example, if you like a thumbnail like something like this, or this, then we can do it. So first of all, if you don't like the checks, we can change it. Gaming. BE live. There. And we can remove this to make it plain. We can add any type of thing we like. We can go to this. We can go to Google. We can search Fall Guys image. And we can search, we can find something like this. This looks very cool, doesn't it? Now all we have to do is copy paste it. Copy image. Go here. Paste. And you can add it like this. Okay. Let's get the text changed. Okay. Fall Guys. If it doesn't look readable, we can change the color from the color platter. Make it dark. There. Now it's readable. We can make lots of thumbnails like this. We can add cool things like, let's see what all we can add. Yeah, this looks cool, doesn't it? Now we can add it here. Yeah, we can take something like these. This. Isn't this cool? We can do lots of things with these type of cool borders and aligners. It's cool that we can align things in Canva, isn't? And so this is how we can make any types of thumbnails, literally anything. These cool thumbnails look very nice. We can take borders like these. There. Now that's how we make thumbnails. That's enough for now. Stay tuned. Bye.